So to do this one, we have to figure what the heck does 30 cubed look like? Well, 30, how can you get to 30? Well, it's made up of 2's and 3's and 5's. So 30 cubed equals 2 times 3, 6 times 5, 30 to the third power, which would be 2 cubed, 3 cubed, 5 cubed. But if we look at what we've got over here, here's a 2 cubed and a 3 cubed and a 5 cubed. So if we rewrite this, so we have 2 to the x 30 cubed equals 2 cubed times 3 cubed times 5 cubed. And then what's the other term there is the 4 cubed. Okay, so if these equal each other, then we have 2 to the x equals 4 cubed. But what is 4? 4 is 2 squared, so 2 squared cubed equals 2 to the 6th. So now we have 2 to the raised to the x power equals 2 to the 6th. Well, the bases are the same, so we need to have this x equals 6. And there's our answer, 6.